Hello, Scorpio. Welcome, new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely, lovely Moonians. Thank you so much for being here. Today, we will be looking into the month of September 2021. And if you feel drawn towards it beyond September, then this will be a timeless monthly for then, for you then. Alright, so let's see what's coming in overall as an oracle. Spirit, take the wheels. What do we need to know for Scorpio? Okay. Okay. We are going to take this because this is a challenging deck for me to do. We have Soul Retrieval coming in with Middle World, Galena, and number 29 coming through, 2 and 9 coming in. Changes which will bring in a lot of balance into your life, rebirth, a life lesson which is coming in, which was all about regaining power. How do I say it? Pausing to receive, becoming aware of things, not overly going on board, becoming more calmer within is also coming through. The middle world is like somewhere down the line, like in between the spiritual realm and the 3D realm. So like 3D, 5D, so 4D realm, which is there, or in the middle of almost awakening and almost breaking the matrix is also the energy which is coming through. 29 could be of significance. You could be 29. 29th of a month could also be of significance. Okay, let's see what else. You could be seeing 222, 999, and angels are with you and making you understand whatever has happened, anything that has ended, someone who went away out of your life, it was meant to be the way it is because it formulated you. And your true self had to come out. But it is very important to remain humble and not get arrogant with the spiritual knowledge that you have. And this may be a time for retreating from the society, taking a break, spending some time alone, and allowing your soul to rejuvenate is also coming through. All right, let's move forward. What's coming in the 3D realms? What's the 3D vibes coming through for Scorpions? Thank you. We have the Empress coming in reverse. Someone who may be feeling a little overwhelmed, or you may have been someone who used to overly cater, and this is being asked to be paused because even if your intentions are great, someone may be getting overwhelmed. The need of giving space is also essential as much as taking space for yourself is also coming through. Pause to receive is also coming in again and again to regain your own power. Respect what you offer is also coming through over here. It's time to find the confidence, self-reliance which is coming in over here. Believe in yourself. There's a little element of lack which is coming in, and it may be causing subconscious, unconscious envy also. Why is this person? Oh, this person is having such a good time and everything. Why am I depleted? Even if the circumstances may be there, you are defeating your own self by thinking that time and again and keeping yourself in that deprived energy, wherein you have so much love to give. Pour it upon your own self is also the energy which is coming in. Self-love, yes, but self-love has many forms to it also. It's almost like reparenting your inner child is also coming through. We have 5 of inspiration coming in, which is talking about outside influence, and this is also talking about fearing before starting. That is also coming in, or an obstacle may be there, but due to stress and everything, we are overcomplicating something which is very, very simple. Or the only thing that you have to do is to walk till the mountain, the supposed mountain, and when you reach the foothill of it, you'll realize it's just a small hill which you can overcome easily. This is a time to utilize your own intuition, belief system, which is taking a new form, and there's a need of letting go of the worry of what other people will think is also coming through. Outside influence may be too much, or you may be trying to find your own value in other people's eyes is also the energy which is coming through. Stop being concerned of what others are thinking of you. Let that not be your defining moment is also something which is coming in. Let it not emotionally influence you. Alright? Sometimes when you're doing great in life, people will like to, there will be haters, there will be lovers. Who you want to focus on that. But don't overly focus that we're trying to get a sense of assurity, sense of love, security on the shoulders of another person or people. That is also coming through. We have 8 of inspirations also coming in. This is just a power move on a personal level. That is what I'm feeling over here. That's all. I'm not saying you're doing something wrong, but the equilibrium that needs to be maintained is also coming through. We have 8 of inspiration also coming in. New information could be coming through. All your dreams, you may be multitasking quite a bit. And this is just saying everything, each and every dream of yours will be manifesting beautifully. This is also at times, I'll go into this, but at times the hand coming from the source and pulling you out of stormy winds and from the waves of violent sea and everything, but you're finding buoyancy by staying afloat. That may have been there for some time, that you were just staying afloat. I feel this is like a year-old energy which is coming in, but I feel there's a completion coming through. And number 8 is quite karmic, but what's meant for you is now coming in for you is also coming through. And it had to first eradicate a few things before it replaced those very exits in a more profound way. With this one, it's almost like walk the talk is also coming through. Perseverance, which is also coming in. You know what is coming in over here? I know I'm still here, but just bear with me for a few more minutes or so. There was something which I saw of Sadhguru, which was in the thing of like, I don't get angry when someone says something. I don't feel judged when someone thinks of me in a certain way. All of that because I give that power to myself, that gaining that emotional control over your emotional world, on not letting people, the outside world, influence your inner world, your peace, that take the power away by taking away your attention. Alright, so we have for the other person, we have 5 of materials coming in, 7 of materials coming in. I was just thinking in Aquarius, which I did before this one, I saw 5 of materials and I was like, that was different. What was I doing? Then I realized this is 7. 7 of materials comes in and talks about impatience. Someone who may be getting a little impatient to get the rewards. When are we going forward? That kind of energy is coming in. And we have 3 of materials coming through. And this is talking about this person is getting impatient to take things forward with you. This person wants to work things out with you. 3 of materials coming in. And this is also talking about you have some really good gifts and talents. Maybe they are hidden. And this is a time of nurturing it, or you will be discovering it. And during any new moon, like right now, Virgo new moon is upcoming on the 6th. Sow new seeds and work, put in the hard work is also coming in. Have fun along the way. Something you're passionate about, you will be thriving in, that is also coming through. And we have justice also coming in. With these 2 cards over here, And over here also, like Capricorn, not Capricorn, um, Venus influence is coming in. So Libra, which is justice, also Libra and Taurus. And over here, Earth sign energy is coming in. So Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn could be of significance. We have fire signs also coming in, but with justice over here, this is someone who wants to give equally, is also coming through. So they would also like you to give them the space to initiate things, is also coming in, and not get impatient about it, because everyone has their own way of expressing, doing things, getting inspired in different ways. But this is someone who genuinely wants to quite quickly progress things forward, is also coming in. They want to make things right. This could be someone who's coming in for the second time also, and this could be someone who you haven't spoken to for some time now. There could have been certain kind of separation, and new information, new contact or message or call could be coming in. That is also coming through. New form of communication could also be coming through. At the end of September, we have 27th of September onwards until the 18th of October, we have Mercury retrograding in the sign of Libra, and it will remain, Mercury will remain in Libra till the 5th of November. So there is this assertiveness which is very much required, but this time around, just see how are you communicating with the world is also something which is very essential. You may be meaning something very differently, but it's coming out to sound a little more intense than intentioned. Become aware of that also. It will only do you good. I'm not saying you have to doubt yourself. No, of course not. You're a fierce personality, and you are very radiant. You are a very passionate person too. But sometimes we just need to know how to utilize it in the best possible way. And I am not talking about intimidation, but sometimes even overcaring can, or too much sugar also doesn't taste good. I'm just saying that, right? If this person or you are going through certain legalities, I feel things, you may be getting a little impatient about the decision which will be made, but I feel it's being made in your favor and very quickly too. That is also coming in. A creative solution, resolution which is up for grabs is also coming in. All you have to do is venture or think a little harder, or just take the time to do something different, to feel a little rested, and then come back and look at the whole picture, or anything that you are trying to create, a project also, ideas which will start bursting in is also coming in. 7 of emotions and 10 of materials also coming in. There may be certain kind of procrastination that may be going on in terms of fulfillment. This person or you both are on the minds of creating a better future, and together do something for earth is also coming through with the 10 of coins over here. But financially, I feel that there may be some really good ideas which will convert into moolahs is also coming in. You'll have some really good ideas coming in your professional line as well. Utilize it, and while you are in the planning, just use a little bit of discernment until you are ready with the pitch. Apart from that, I feel like financially things are really good, really good, and promotion also could be coming in. And I feel like family wise, things are looking calmer. You're letting go of the karmic cycle which made you feel obligated to act in a certain way. You're letting go of that is also coming in. You're going towards your truth. You are being asked to make your voice heard and speak for yourself, and even for those who aren't heard is also the energy which is coming through over here. Really lovely energy. It's almost like, you are powering up and you are empowering others also, is the energy which is coming through. All right, let's see what the angels, the guides have for you. These are way too many. There's a lot of spiritual knowledge, assistance, downloads which will be happening, visions that you may randomly have. And there's a very strong influence of Archangel Michael coming in. So know that whatever is maybe going out of your life, I don't really see that because I'm just seeing additions happening. But a few things that we were giving importance to, like gossip and like, all of that third party influences, which are not really important anymore, because this connection is between you two, and also your connection with yourself is also coming in. If there's this need of overly compensating, which may have been a pattern in the past also, and maybe you are seeing the repercussions of it in the now, it's time to go back into the past, into your childhood perhaps, and realize where this is coming in from, that you feel the need of keeping everything perfect, and that turns into something unhealthy at the end of it, because you take in I'm just saying it because the 10 of materials, 10 of coins also came in. So the family influence which also comes through, which may be dominating, and it may have made you more privy or more open to what other people have to say, more reliant on the feedback and the compliments. And if they turn negative, it triggers you. It backfires in a negative way for you. Because of that instant guilt, regret is not coming in, irritation. If these people are not important. Irrespective, there's balance being restored. This may come into fruition in different ways, but just be open to the information that may be coming in. This may not be the time to act impulsively, but to gather information and make choices wisely also. Avoid signing the dotted lines towards the end of the month, or at least go through the paperwork very carefully is also something which is important. You don't want to overlook anything in hurry. All right, we have Epiphany coming in. Seek clarity. The phoenix is rising, and there's a lot of liberation which is coming in. You are finally ready to give yourself the freedom to fly once again. And certain things which need to be left in the past, even cycles or principles which were ignorantly taught as a child to you or by society, you're breaking away from it and you're seeing reality in a different way. Your understanding, I'll just say it very simply, your understanding of reality is going to expand, is expanding, and it's giving you a lot of clarity, a lot of this one good reason to release the weight that you have been carrying on. Maybe the obligation of family also. You're releasing yourself from that karmic contract is also coming through. We have letting go, learn to let go. Wow. I like how in the fillers, like there are elements, this is the main figure over here, and these two also. And the fillers which are coming in are birds, are butterflies, flying. Fly me to the moon, na 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 na. Na 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 na. With the epiphany coming in terms of relationships also, you are being asked, or you are yourself coming to a point where you are letting go of external noises. You're not listening to what other people have to say about your love life, but you are following what your heart is saying. That is also coming in, and this may transpire in different aspects very differently, but your authentic voice is coming in. You are speaking your truth, and there's a lot of clarity which is coming in as you are ascending. Radical shifts in the mindset could also be coming in, but it just starts with one step or that one moment of clarity which puts everything into alignment or kickstarts this beautiful process of healing, self happiness, inner clarity, assertiveness, vision, and empowerment. I see that happening. And letting go, this is very, very essential to bring back justice into your life, to bring back more balance into your life. For the equal give and take to occur, we need to learn to forgive is also coming in, and not see the person with doubtful eyes from the lenses of the past is also the energy which is coming through. Let your old self not hold you back is coming through. Discard who you are not, the soul retrieval energy which is coming in over here. See the truth for what it is also the energy which is coming in. And you will also, it may just seem like, this light just switched on. Maybe for the other person also. Like, it makes them see you for who you are, and they may be letting go of any kind of hurt that may have been caused to them too. And then wanting to make things right and eradicate any jealousy, fear, anxiety, or distrust that may be there, because trust and the truth will be coming out. The trust will be restored is coming through. And the clarity will also help you make positive decisions for yourself, for your life to grow. Let's quickly look into the charms. So, what do we have here? We have a yellow sponge over here, solar plexus chakra coming through over here. Do some baking, try baking. This reminds me invariably of a bun for some reason. We have a leaf. We have actually how many leaves? We have 3 leaves over here, turning a page, too many pages, and the golden and the green which is coming through. What is this combination reminding me of? There was something that I was reminded of, then it wasn't that great. Reminded me of something that I have, which I wear for like weddings and all of that. Anyways, I feel over here there are golden opportunities which are coming through, and connect with nature is also coming in. Do something for the animals is also coming in, but spending time in nature is going to be very, very, very beautiful experience for you, very nurturing too. That is the energy which is coming in. Plant a tree if you can and take care of it too. We have the umbrella coming in where you are. It could be like raining or something, and apart from that there's a lot of protection which is coming through thick and thin, that kind of energy which is coming in. This could be someone who is very, very protective towards you, wants to take care of you. That is coming in. We have the chamomile or the daisy over here, and have some chamomile tea for relaxing yourself, reducing the anxieties, and filling you up and firing you up beautifully. That will be essential, because we need to take it easy in a certain way, like, over stressing and all, and then suddenly taking a long breath in and out, releasing yourself, not getting overworked in the head, and seeing things more clearly, making more sound judgment, a good call being made with rest and peace within. Alright, we have the owl coming through. Connect with the white owl is also coming through. You are very wise, and intuition, use it wisely, is also coming through. This could be a wink from Odin for all the work that you're doing, and it could also be like, maybe your sleeping pattern has changed, and this may be reminding you to take some rest too. Messages which are coming in, divine downloads, spiritual downloads which are happening over here, I feel that coming through very strongly. We have a star coming in, the star quality which is coming through. You have everything. Now is the time to fill yourself up with confidence and allow yourself to shine. Step into the spotlight is also coming through. Do what you are really good at doing is also coming in. If you're getting intimidated by any kind of competition that may be there, don't undermine your own gifts, talents, and capabilities, because under pressure, somehow or the other, you will outshine. I don't know, there's a lot of success which will be coming through, wishes that may be coming true as well. We have a pixie or an angel sitting on the moon, so the crescent over here. You're manifesting a dream, wishes coming true. One of your wishes may be fulfilled very soon, and angels are overlooking you. Your prayers have been heard is also coming through. We have the hand of Hamza coming in, again, hand of God coming through, protection coming in, assistance, spiritual assistance which is there available for you at any given time. All you have to do is ask your questions to and intend them towards your guides, your angels, your fairies, the source, the universe, whatever you believe in. There's a lot of protection which is coming through. You and your loved ones are protected. 444 energy coming through. We have the laughing Buddha. This has been coming in, this came in for Aquarians as well. Started from a personal reading, but the Buddha is coming through. Maybe you believe in Buddhism, or this one just reminds me of the laughing Buddha, and it's time to find small joys. Life is too short. Enjoy while you're journeying on earth is also coming through. Laughter is the best medicine. Smile is also coming through. Lastly, we have Pisces coming in with intuitive. You or your person could be a Pisces, and they see you as someone who's very, very intuitive. So that could have been a little alarming at first, that you kind of always know the mysticism, the mystical side of you, like saying something and then just a second or two of that extra stare that you give creates a big question mark in the other person's mind, and that may be quite flooring for people, also very, very flattering for people. But I feel like a lot of intuitive downloads which are coming in, your voice, your higher self is coming forward, and that epiphany, the phoenix rising energy is coming in. So allowing the old, the pains, the hurt, the karmic weights, the old principles to go up, all the things, the defense mechanisms that the ego self spun in the past, allowing it all to be burnt and rise up in going up in smoke and trickling down in ashes. And the trickling down is giving you more knowledge, more wisdom, true wisdom, establishing a stronger foundation within yourself too. I'm also being asked, because there's so much protection and everything which is coming in, don't feel scared to tap in, to connect with the spiritual realm is also coming through. Sometimes it's very daunting. It was very daunting for me at first also, but I just had to believe, and then you just step into it. That is also the energy which is coming in. You step into it, the veil which keeps you scared for a very long time, and the moment you overcome that barricade, which is quite an illusionary veil, you see there's so much guidance and so much positivity, so much protection also there. That is the energy which is coming in. Beyond the known. into the unknown. So that is the energy which is coming through. Thank you so much for your precious time and for being here. So until next time, God bless you and allow your true self to shine through. Until next time, love, light, healing, empowerment, enlightenment, strength, confidence to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe. Hi, my lovely moonians. Shukriya for watching.